guys! Good morning! This is Coach Rose and meron naman tayong panibagong alam na, YouTube. Syempre, video-video lang tayo, B. Ngayon, ano natin magiging utility tayo for the day. So, andito tayo ngayon sa school. Ayan. So, kumukol ang aking papa. Papa, later ka na ha. Kasi ngayon, naglililis tayo kasi nga, meron daw mga bisita. May mga bisita po kasi ngayon ang mga guro. So, nasa school po tayo, ha? Tapos, meron kasi silang palaro na sinalihan. So, sa parang battle naman ng mga garden. Ganun. So, ngayon, syempre, yung pinaka main office nila, parang office, ng principal office, ganun. Lilinisan natin para naman kasi dito sila pupunta.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go?
Di pa tayo, guys. Dito tayo.
Go, go, go. London, Paris, Tokyo. Oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just be in your sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Lipat ulit.
Would it make you feel better?
One eternity later.
If I say the songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how with everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go?
A few moments later.
London, Paris, Tokyo. Oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just be in your sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Aray. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang bobo mo naman, Bing. Ang sakit.
Ang bobo. Bobo. Ang bobo ng kamote. Ba't kasi hindi mo nalang balatan yung sarili mo?
Nobody but you. I want no.
Guys, mukhang panalo na ata ang El Pimentel ah. Nagkakatuwaan na po sila dyan. So, ayan po yung mga nagbibisita. Ang init naman guys, tatago nga ako. Guys, nag-aapira na guys yung mga teacher. Panalo na yan guys. Ano yun guys, nagpipicture na sila doon. Oh, ano si Jowa Bells. Guys, look at this. Sobrang ganda naman. Nice. Talaga naman kapakapanalo eh. Yan po yung garden ng El Pimentel, San Luis, Aurora. Yan. So, ito po siya. Yung pagpasok. Wait. Welcome sa Gulayang Paaralan. Yan guys, punta na. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda yung school. Oh, diba? Look. So, meron po palang merong history itong school na to. Kung nakita nyo itong nasa background, nasunog po yan. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Nasunog po yan. Ewan ko kung bakit. Basta nasunog. Yun. Tapos, ayun. Buti na lang. Naanahan nila agad na ano yung apoy. Kaya yun. Naging okay na. So, yun guys. Hanggang doon na lang ang aking pag-iikot sa El Pimentel at ang pananatili ko ng isang utility for the day. Ayan. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. And yes, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like and turn on the notification bell para ma-notify kayo syempre sa susunod na video. And then, see you guys. Bye-bye!